Welcome to Global City Toured. Let's explore Louisville. Louisville is the largest city in the state of Kentucky, located in the east-central region of the United States. It is known for its rich history, bourbon distilleries, and southern charm. The city is home to several cultural attractions, including the Muhammad Ali Center, Louisville Slugger Museum and Amp Factory, and the Kentucky Science Center. The Kentucky Derby, held annually at Churchill Downs, is a major event that draws visitors from around the world. Louisville is also a foodie destination, with a thriving culinary scene that includes famous dishes such as the hot brown and the city's signature dish, the Louisville-style chili. Top 10 places in Louisville. 1. Churchill Downs is a world-famous thoroughbred racetrack located in Louisville, Kentucky. It is best known as the home of the Kentucky Derby, the first leg of the Triple Crown of horse racing. The track also hosts other major races throughout the year and is a popular destination for horse racing enthusiasts. 2. The Louisville Slugger Museum and Amp Factory is a museum and factory located in Louisville, Kentucky. It is dedicated to the history and production of the Louisville Slugger baseball bat, which has been used by Major League Baseball players for over 100 years. Visitors can tour the factory and learn about the manufacturing process, as well as view exhibits on baseball history and memorabilia. 3. The Muhammad Ali Center is a museum and cultural center located in downtown Louisville, Kentucky. It is dedicated to the life and legacy of Muhammad Ali, a world-renowned boxer and humanitarian. The center offers exhibits and displays on Ali's life, including his boxing career, his activism, and his impact on society. It also features interactive exhibits and activities, as well as educational programs and events. The center is committed to promoting respect, understanding, and inspiration, and serves as a place of learning and dialogue for people of all ages and backgrounds. It is a must-visit destination for anyone interested in the life and legacy of Muhammad Ali. 4. The Kentucky Derby Museum is a museum located at Churchill Downs in Louisville, Kentucky. It is dedicated to the history and traditions of the Kentucky Derby, the premier horse racing event held annually at Churchill Downs. Visitors can learn about the history of the race, view exhibits on the horses and jockeys, and even take a tour of the racetrack. 5. The Louisville Mega Cavern is an underground attraction located in Louisville, Kentucky. Originally a limestone mine, the cavern has been converted into an adventure park that offers a variety of activities, including zip lining, underground bike park, and tram tours. Visitors can experience a one-of-a-kind adventure in the vast underground space, which spans over 100 acres and includes a variety of tunnels and caverns. The cavern is also used for other activities such as storage, including the world's largest bike park, a seasonal drive-through holiday lights display, and even underground concerts. The Louisville Mega Cavern is a unique and exciting destination for anyone looking for a thrilling adventure. 6. The Louisville Zoo is a 134-acre zoo located in Louisville, Kentucky. It is home to over 1,500 animals representing more than 150 species from around the world. The zoo features exhibits such as the Glacier Run Polar Bear exhibit, the Gorilla Forest, and the Islands exhibit showcasing animals from Madagascar. 7. Louisville Waterfront Park is a public park located in downtown Louisville, Kentucky. The park spans 85 acres and features a variety of attractions and amenities, including walking and biking paths, a playground, a splash park, and an outdoor amphitheater. Visitors can take in stunning views of the Ohio River and the Louisville skyline, and enjoy events such as concerts and festivals that take place throughout the year. The park also features a historical exhibit on the city's water supply and its role in the growth and development of the region. Louisville Waterfront Park is a popular destination for locals and visitors alike, offering a beautiful and relaxing space to enjoy the outdoors in the heart of the city. 8. The Louisville Palace is a historic theater located in downtown Louisville, Kentucky. It opened in 1928 and is a stunning example of the ornate architecture and design of the time. Today, the theater hosts a variety of concerts, comedy shows, and other events, and is a beloved cultural institution in the city. 9. The Frazier History Museum is a museum located in downtown Louisville, Kentucky, dedicated to preserving and sharing the history and culture of Kentucky and the surrounding region. It features a variety of exhibits on topics such as bourbon, the Civil War, and the Lewis and Clark expedition, as well as interactive experiences and special events. 10. The Highlands is a neighborhood in Louisville, Kentucky, known for its unique blend of historic architecture, trendy shops, and vibrant nightlife. The neighborhood is home to a variety of locally owned businesses, including boutique shops, restaurants, and bars. Bardstown Road is the main thoroughfare in the area and features a diverse mix of businesses, from vintage clothing stores to modern art galleries. The area is also home to several parks, including Cherokee Park, which offers miles of walking and biking trails, and the Douglas Loop Farmers Market, which features fresh produce, artisanal goods, and live music. The Highlands is a popular destination for both residents and visitors, offering a lively and eclectic atmosphere. Thanks for watching.